In 1925, a deadly diphtheria outbreak threatened the children of Nome, Alaska. The only cure was hundreds of miles away, and the snowstorm made planes impossible. 20 mushers and over 150 sled dogs formed a relay to bring the medicine from Nenana to Nome, over 600 miles through icy wilderness. Balto, a black Siberian husky, led the final team through the worst blizzard. In minus 50 degrees Celsius weather and almost no visibility, he never stopped. After 5 long days, Balto's team arrived in Nome with the medicine. The town was saved. Balto became a national hero. Balto became a symbol of courage and determination. A statue of him still stands in New York's Central Park, honoring his heroic journey.